U.S. inflation relief offsets Middle East tensions, keeping Indian shares muted. The easing of U.S. inflation expectations has dampened concerns over rising geopolitical risks in the Middle East, leading Indian investors to hold back on aggressive trading. The market reaction shows that U.S. monetary policy can influence global equity sentiment, even when regional tensions persist. This development highlights the interconnectedness of U.S. economic signals and emerging market stability. Indian shares remain muted as the U.S. inflation relief continues to offset Middle East tensions. Investors have taken a cautious stance, focusing on the impact of U.S. monetary easing rather than reacting to geopolitical flare-ups. The muted response indicates that market participants are prioritizing domestic economic signals over external uncertainties, maintaining a steady but restrained trading environment in India. The story is based on a single Reuters report, and broader market dynamics are not fully captured. While U.S. inflation relief appears to offset Middle East tensions, the extent of its impact on Indian shares remains unclear. Investors and analysts may need additional data to assess whether this trend is temporary or indicative of a longer-term shift in market sentiment. The uncertainty highlights the need for further reporting. SK Hynix shares surged 13% on AI hopes, sending U.S. tech stocks back on an upward trajectory. The South Korean memory chip maker's jump was the largest gain in the market today, lifting the broader technology index. Investors reacted positively to the potential of AI to drive demand for advanced semiconductors, prompting a rebound in related U.S. technology shares. Following SK Hynix's 13% surge, U.S. technology stocks rebounded, lifting the Nasdaq and S&P 500 technology sectors. The rally reflected investor confidence in AI-driven demand for semiconductors. The gains were driven by a mix of large-cap tech firms, which saw their shares climb after the South Korean company's performance. The rebound marked a return to positive momentum after a period of volatility. The information about the SK Hynix surge and the subsequent U.S. tech stock rebound comes from a single Reuters report. While the data shows a significant jump in the South Korean company's shares and a positive market response, the limited source means that market reaction may vary and further coverage is needed to confirm the broader impact. Investors should monitor additional reports for a more comprehensive view. AP News released its daily World Roundup, titled World News, Top and Breaking World News Today. The article, published at 2:53 and 50 seconds Universal Time Coordinated, lists the most significant global events for the day. It serves as a quick reference for journalists and readers seeking an overview of international developments. The piece is concise, providing only headline-level information without in-depth analysis. This release offers a snapshot of worldwide news that could indirectly affect U.S. interests. The AP News Roundup provides a broad overview of significant global events but lacks detailed analysis. It aggregates headlines from around the world, offering readers a quick snapshot of international news. While it highlights key stories, the article does not delve into causes, implications, or detailed reporting. This limited depth means that readers seeking comprehensive coverage must consult additional sources. The Roundup's broad scope could indirectly influence U.S. interests by shaping public perception of global affairs.